Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shafiq from British Institute. Hope you will be pretty good. Today in this video, I'll explain the word meaning that is haughty in English and Urdu. So let's get started. Haughty. Word forms comparative, haughtier, superlative, haughtiest. Meaning unfriendly and seeming to consider yourself better than other people. यानी गैर दोस्ताना और अपने आप को दूसरे लोगों से बेहतर समझना. मुतकब्बिर, मगरूर. Synonyms: proud, arrogant, lofty, high. As Allah says in the Holy Quran, إلا إبليس استكبر وما كان من الكافرين. Except Iblis, he was haughty and became among the disbelievers. सिवाय इब्लीस के वो मगरूर था और काफिरों में शामिल हो गया. قال يا إبليس ما منعك أن تسجد لما خلقت بيدي أستكبرت أم كنت من العالين. Allah asked, O Iblis, what prevented you from prostrating to what I created with my own hands? Did you just become haughty? Or have you always been haughty? अल्लाह ताला ने पूछा, ए इब्लीस, जिस चीज को मैंने अपने हाथों से बनाया है, इसको सुजदा करने से तुझे किस चीज ने रोका? क्या तुम सिर्फ मगरूर हो गए या हमेशा से ही मगरूर रहे हैं? Use of haughty. For example, he has a rather haughty manner. यानी इसका अंदाज काफी मगरूर है. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.